I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you need a dental consult as soon as possible. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Jeffrey Butts, and I'm a doctor of dental surgery. I have over 15 years of helping my community with their dental oral health, and this channel is all about your health and wellness, and all I want to do is optimize your health journey. Today, we're going to talk about some reasons why you would need to get a dental consultation as soon as possible, right? So you don't want to wait too long, okay? Because minor issues can turn into a major one, okay? And if any of that sounds familiar, it's time to make an appointment, all right? So many people put off visiting the dentist until they're in severe pain or facing a serious issue. But your mouth often gives you early warning signs that shouldn't be ignored, all right? So let's go over the top 5 signs that it's time for you to see a dentist as soon as possible, all right? First on the list is really tooth pain. Persistent tooth pain. A toothache that doesn't go away could be a sign of something that's serious, like an infection or decay in the tooth that's reached the nerve. And sometimes, if it's somewhere like an upper tooth, it can actually be a clogged or infected sinus, all right? Pain is your body's way of telling you that there's something going on, all right? And if left untreated, it can lead to even more severe issues, including tooth loss. So don't ignore the pain. Early intervention can save your tooth and prevent the need for more extensive treatment later on, okay? Like root canals or even extractions, all right? So don't do it, avoid those things, okay? All right. The number 2 reason why you may need a dental consult as soon as possible is swollen or bleeding gums, okay? Now, occasional bleeding might seem harmless, but consistent bleeding, especially when brushing or flossing, can be a sign of gum disease. Swollen gums can also indicate infection or inflammation that needs a professional attention, all right? Gum disease, if it's left untreated, it can lead to tooth loss or even been linked to serious health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. It's important to catch it early. Another sign is loose or shifting teeth. That means that the bone that holds the tooth in place has dissolved away, leaving a whole lot of tooth structure, and that allows the tooth to move around in your mouth, okay? So if your teeth are moving or you notice gaps developing, it could be a sign of bone loss or advanced gum disease. Now, in the front of your mouth, if you find that your front teeth are getting wider as you're aging, more than likely it's your tongue not being on the roof of your mouth where it should be, but your tongue goes straight out and pushes against the teeth from the inside, making the spaces wider and pushing your teeth out towards your lips, okay? And over time, that can actually lead to more tooth problems and in some more severe cases, tooth loss, all right? So the sooner we address these issues, the better your chances are of saving your teeth and preventing further damage, all right? Another one, okay? Another one, guys, is difficulty chewing or speaking, all right? If you're experiencing pain or discomfort when eating, or if you find it's hard to pronounce words, like me, like when I can't pronounce words, right? It could be due to misaligned teeth. Jaw issues or even missing teeth can make it so that you're not speaking very well. Your teeth are designed to work together for efficient chewing and clear speech. When something's off, it can affect your overall quality of life, all right? A consultation can help identify the underlying cause and provide that right treatment. All right, and finally, number 5 is missing teeth. Even one tooth can have a significant impact on your oral health if it's missing. And it could cause the surrounding teeth around that missing tooth to shift, affecting your bite, leading to even more bone loss as well as making your face sink in, okay? This channel is supposed to help you maintain your oral health, okay, and function. Options like dental implants can provide a permanent solution that looks and feels and functions like natural teeth. These are just a few of the signs. These things are just a few of the signs that you might need a dental consult, but you know that you know. If your mouth is healthy, you don't have any problems at all, you're supposed to see the dentist for a preventative cleaning at least twice a year. If you have ever had a deep cleaning in your life before, all right, you're supposed to see the dentist 4 times a year, once a quarter, not to get deep cleanings again, but to make it so that they're maintaining the deep cleaning that you already got. And if you remember what it costs, or if you actually had to pay for your deep cleaning, it can be expensive because the instruments and the technique that the hygienists use in order to clean up those deep parts around your teeth is just a procedure that is time consuming, and that time can cost money, right? So if you've gotten a deep cleaning before, you don't want to get a deep cleaning again by ignoring what you need to do, which is get your teeth cleaned 4 times a year, all right? Tooth loss, infections can lead to systemic health issues. And if any of these signs sound familiar to you, don't wait. You can schedule a consult with us today at Camp Creek Dental. Your smile is your calling card, and taking care of it is essential for your overall well-being, all right? We're here to help, and we're here to help you every step of the way, all right? That's it. Just a little quick talk for you guys, all right? Your teeth are important, okay? So let us help you, right? Thanks so much for listening. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon for more notifications for when we got these other tips and tricks for you to keep your smile healthy and beautiful, all right? Oh, definitely subscribe to this channel. Definitely subscribe, all right? And we're just so proud that at this time of recording, we are almost at 1 million views, which is incredible to me. And that's only after being here for like 2 years, all right? So we're trying to get the word out. Please send this video or any of our other videos on health and wellness to anyone that you love, your friends, your family, okay? So that we can help you optimize your health journey, because you are responsible for your own health, and knowledge is power. Take care of yourself, all right? And we're gonna talk about a couple other little things a little bit later.